pretty pretty. Why you summon me?
Come and assemble the check letter.
Okay. This is you want?
Good job. We just need to clip this printed check letter on the check. Pay attention to clip it into the check from the top of the sign. Do not